Okay, so we're going to create a text layer. So A01, EN is for elevation north, right? So 01 text, color white. So go to the layer.
Wait, in layout 1 or model?
Uh, it doesn't matter if you create the layer in model or layout 1.
Okay.
It will still be
Same.
the same, yes.
Okay.
Okay? So I can create here A01 text, right? And the color is white. So we're good.
Layer red.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do that image.
Okay, we'll do red then. I think it's best to follow the protocol. Okay? So if you look back again here, there's A01 red. Okay? The only difference that in layout tab, layers would have additional properties like BP color, which we're going to discuss in another topic. Okay, so we have all this BP, right? All on and off. It's a viewport control, viewport layer control. But right now we just want to change the color, right? Not the BP color. So text will be red, okay? And we're going to change this to color red. Okay, select those, change that to the text layer, and it becomes red. Okay. Now, while we're here, let's add the line. Okay, that line is for our second floor line. So we'll go to the wall layer. Let's just say it's a wall at the second floor, and we're going to add a line. I think, yeah, let's create a new layer instead. Sorry, let's create a new layer. So let's just say 01, and here I'm just going to use mez for the mezzanine line. So I'm creating a new layer. It's not in our layer protocol, so I can name it no matter what name I'd like to choose. So you're allowed to do that. You're not restricted to the layer names that you find here, right? So you can create your own. And I'm going to use color gray for this one. And the reason for that, it's just a hidden line. Sorry, maybe red. Red. So not too thin. It's a hidden line. Okay. So currently the line type that I have here is continuous. For this layer and that line, it will be hidden line. So I'm going to click this, and currently the only line type loaded is continuous. Now I need to load a hidden line type. So I'm going to click on load. Okay. Since this is metric, I need to use the CAD ISO line types. So this is a hidden line, so I can use ISO dash. This one here, I think. Let's see if there's another one. This is a long dash, short dash. This is long dash, short dash, double. Nope. I think that's the line that we want. So these are not loaded into AutoCAD because you might not need them. So you're only loading the ones that you need. Okay. So I need the dash line right now. So I'll select that. Click OK. Now that it's loaded, I'm going to select that and click OK. Notice that this now changed from continuous to CAD ISO 02W100. Okay. Now, I'm going to make this layer current by double-clicking on it. See, the current layer is the layer where you are drawing on. See, mezzanine layer. Right? If you select this, that becomes current, or you can double-click here. Okay, whichever way you choose it. Okay, make a layer current by selecting it, and when I draw a line, let's say from here to there, and I should do this in model space. Okay, line from here to there. Notice that it looks like my line is, continuous, but if you zoom in, it will show as a hidden line. Let's look at it here in the layout tab. It looks like a hidden line, but the distance is much better, right? It adjusts based on your, if I double click here, remember this is at scale 1 to 50. Okay, so it adjusts that distance between the dash and the space based on your scale. Okay, so double click outside. I do want to maintain this at zoom scale 1 to 50. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you double click inside and then scale this to scale 1 to 50. Again, versus Studio, you need to redraw all of this to get a drawing at scale 1 to 100. Okay, I don't want to do that. So bring it back to scale 1 to 50. Okay, and then double click outside so that you're not anymore in the in model space. You know you're not in model space if you see this triangle right here. Okay, so you can zoom in and out the paper. If you're in model space, you zoom in and out the model. Okay, again, double click outside to return to paper space. The command actually is PS. PS for paper space and MS for model space. So you can also do that, but it's a lot easier to just double click. So you don't have to type PS or MS. Double click, double click.